What's up guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to scan QR codes on Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So if you want to scan QR codes on Revolut, you need to do the following steps. So first of course is to open the Revolut app and sign into your account. Then you need to go to the payment section, so navigate to the section of the app where you can make payments. Basically those are payments or send money options. Choose the make payment, go to the initiate a payment or money transfer within the app and select the QR code scanner. So there is an option called the scanner QR code. Either it says scan a QR code or there is a QR code logo which you can press. So tap on it and activate the QR code scanner. Then position your device's camera so that it captures the QR code within the frame. The app will automatically recognize the QR code. Then you can review and confirm once the QR code is scanned, review the payment details or info associated with the QR code and make sure it is the correct one. Then complete the transaction. So of course, if everything looks accurate, proceed to complete the transaction according to your intended action. So overall, some features may be different if you don't use the latest version of the app. And there is basically another step. You just enter your camera on your phone and scan the QR code, and it will probably take you to Revolut and all the things you need to do. But I suggest using the Revolut app on this one. So overall guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.